training is important in this case. There are two kind of people in every industry. I can say that's the one is self-motivated, self-taught. We say this natural gift they have just because of they have passion for it, so they do their own learning, right? Second is people who are not self-motivated, but they have to get trained to do certain work. They have to go through the process, understand the process, or someone has to teach them the process. So the same thing comes in animation also. You will find some people not having an art background, they have good aesthetic sense, which we require as a basic to become a art, what you call artist in the animation industry. Some people don't have that aesthetic naturally. They have to go to college to learn that aesthetic, right? That's the reason when the people don't have aesthetic, but they want to make their career. They have to just learn proper aesthetic, art, and then come. Second thing, it comes in animation training, which has related to the same. I can say that the art, learning art, something, the aesthetic is same. I can compare with this animation training, because this animation, to do the animation, actually we do the live action movement, what we do normally. Everybody does that, but not everybody has that ability to how to capture that moment in a particular you do the character. So there is I can say there's 9 old men, or the old Disney guys have invented, discovered, I can say that discovered those principles, which call it principle of animation. Those you need to learn certain ways, tips and tricks, which helps to reduce that gap, and achieve that sophisticatedness in your work and being more professional. So someone can gain that naturally, someone has to learn, even though that guy can reach there where someone naturally goes there. But of course I can say this, which helps to reduce the gap, the process which takes someone to learn, become expert. It will happen faster and accurate.